Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Subscribe to the channel, get new and interesting videos. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell button next to it. Please subscribe to my channel and like comments. Let's get start latest gadget videos. Blix Vika Plus road tips, classical turns and gauge station snacks and road trips assistant. But we wanted more for our ride. Determiner to support all thought seeker. We designed the Vic Plus to be the perfect companions for those looking to not only easy to road but explore it. Following along as our friend. Let's share road tips down to the comfort California cost in style. Blix Vika Plus road tips POP 3D scanner. Here is my unboxing and first look at the Rio Points for POP 3D portable scanner. This is a produce version of the product. I have tried of few 3D scanner in the past, which will enter locking details or complete to use. The Rio Point POP 3D scanner currently available on Kickstarter, filling a nice gap in the market with its price version performance. In these videos, I give it a thorough test with a rank of searching. This product with produce free of search for the purpose of making this video. All opinions experience are my own. If you are into creative work using 3D painting and 3D imaging technology, you know that high processing 3D scanners are far too expensive, or they try to be less than accords and not up to the standard the design work required. And they also Lelex cordless hair dryer. Lelex cordless hair dryer really helped me a lot when I got out for travel. Smart and product. Brilliant product for such a portable hair dryer. De-lift fast and ever air flow. It allows you to dry hair fast or move freely. Gracefully less layers is the world first cordless and bladeless hair dryer and future solo from performs and everyday configure. Now use are no longer limited by power cooled and can dry their hair effectively anywhere. They use Lelex speed up grocery and in perfect for travel. Companies on mute text wheel getting real for the day. With a 100 RPM powerful motor, the starts and hair dry products. Blix Vika Plus electronics folder bike. Blix recently updated their e-bike line up with new function like more power and rank allow with many cargo carrying option. The new Blix Vika Plus is a good example of their future is a compact and portable electronics folder bikes. In addition to its easy going compact design, it also has a low step through air that makes getting on and off the Vika Plus very easy. Some of the expense highlight and a 500 weight motor, high expert 48V and 40Ah lift Samsung battery. Turbo design, back, default assist and throttle and much more. The Blix VIX Plus is priced at 1.160 with mainly payment. Water rocket launcher. Starlord Lancer IV search water rocket launcher. Use avalanche physical to launch a rocket up to 350 feet. This on a kind water rocket launch kit use produce water and air to refill a sold bottle up to 350 feet with great recover. Square the brake level to relax the rocket for a safe distance or 10 feet and out of the space zone. The 120-degree title bell head allow trained, designed and wind companions. The perfect combine of flex and fun. These outdoor styles restore with except with without.